Hello and welcome to the step-by-step guide on touching grass. A few of you in the audience might need this lesson. First things first, you're gonna have to find an area near you that has grass, like your lawn, or your backyard, or even your local park. I chose the park for this one. Next, stuff your filthy, disgusting hand into the grass. It's safe, simple, and don't forget, easy. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to get real deep into that grass. Treat that grass real nice and good. Yes, touch that grass good. Yes, just really get into that grass. Yeah, just really get in there, you know, just really sink your hand and your fingers in the grass. Yeah, just really get in there. Oh yeah, I need the grass. I need more grass. I need more grass.